On Hyperplanning homepage, the alert "Conduct the roll call" will appear after the beginning of your class. Click on the link to open the roll call sheet. You can also access this page from the menu or Assiduity. Call each student and add a tick mark next to anyone absent. If you know the reason for the absence, you can inform it with this color-coded box. You don't have to do anything if the student is present. A student coming late can be marked in the column Tardiness. Once the attendance is finished, check the roll call complete. In case you forgot to enter attendance, you have up to 5 days to do so. Use the drop-down menu to select the right date and proceed. You can also select it from the home page by selecting the date from the drop-down menu in the non-performed roll call section.